Want to access a USB drive on your MacBook or iMac? Let me show you the easiest way to do it. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Now, the steps are going to be the same whether you are using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac, or Mac Mini. First, connect your USB drive to your Mac. Usually, once you connect the USB drive, it will appear on the desktop automatically. You will also find it inside Finder under the location section on the sidebar. So you can open the USB drive directly from the desktop, or you can access it from Finder. Now, sometimes the USB drive appears on the desktop, but it does not appear in the Finder sidebar. If that happens, open Finder and click on Settings. Then go to the Sidebar tab. Here, make sure the External Disks option is enabled. If this option is turned off, the USB drive will disappear from the Finder sidebar. As soon as you enable it again, the USB drive will show up under Location. Now, in some cases, the USB drive may not appear anywhere at all. If that happens, try changing the USB port and reconnect the drive again. You can also press Command and Space together to open Spotlight Search. Then search for Disk Utility and open it. Inside Disk Utility, you can check whether the external USB drive is detected or not. You can also check details like storage space, format, and drive information. And that's it. These are the easiest ways to access a USB drive on your Mac. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.